Good afternoon, and let's talk about some of the trends that are shaping up in the AC industry, the AC market, and what is actually happening. So we do know that the commodity prices are rising, and because of that, companies have taken a price hike. So whether it is Voltas, Bluestar, LG, all these companies have taken a price hike, and the price hike is across the industry is on an average between on various brands is around 2 to 3%. Now, when you look at specifically price increases for LG, Bluestar, and Voltas, they have been quite higher, and they have been on the 5 to 6% range is what the price hike is taken. And even when Bluestar's management recently joined us, they did talk about how they will be taking further price hikes could be on the books, given that the commodity price inflation has not been reducing. So that is something interesting that is happening, is that price hikes have happened and the companies have taken price hikes. Now, because of these price hikes, what we are seeing is that brands have converged to similar prices. So there was a difference before previously of around 4 to 5,000 rupees per unit in various brands. So whether it may be Samsung, Voltas, Daikin, LG, Bluestar, any of these, there was a difference between them of 4 to 5,000 rupees. Now with these price hikes, the difference has reduced considerably, and it's now just 1 to 2,000 rupees this ongoing summer season. Now this is a very new trend that has actually come up in there. And now, when you look at it, actually Samsung has been one of the most aggressive on price competition front. So they seem to they're very keen on recovering their market share, which they have lost in the last couple of years. So they are very keen on gaining that market share, and now Samsung is attempting to make a comeback, and its inverter price is now cheaper than most of the market players. It's one of the cheapest, even lower than Voltas. So very interesting thing that is coming in over here, that all players are now converging their prices. So the difference which we were seeing between brands is not as much as what it was previously. So many brands have even reduced their premium over premium which they were saying over Voltas. So what the other companies were having premium, like whether you look at it in terms of Samsung, which had a premium, that has also reduced. Hitachi has now no premium versus a previous premium of 2,000 to 4,000 rupees in the past. Samsung is now lower prices. Daikin has also reduced its premium to 2,000 rupees from previously 4,000 rupees. So obviously we are seeing a shift of convergence coming in over there. But what is still remaining is the difference that we are seeing in the price of whether it's a 3-star AC and a 5-star AC. So obviously, if it's a 3-star AC, obviously that difference has still persisted versus the 5-star AC. So obviously that difference continues to last, and the difference is around 6,000 rupees between 3,000 and 3-star as well as 5-star models across the brands, and this difference is persisted over the years, and as of now also what we are seeing is lasting. So now overall, yes, there's a price convergence, and when you look at it, Samsung has become one of the cheapest. Then we do have Voltas, which is second. Bluestar as of now seems to be one of the most expensive ones in terms of ACs. So let's keep an eye on how these pricing in ACs actually pan out. Will companies be taking further price hikes? Will they be giving discounts? What is their strategy going ahead? Is something we should keep an eye out on.